The Middle East market as a whole is about 3% of the world's deliveries. However, as Jetcraft is concerned, in the last year alone, it's been at least 10% of our results. So for Jetcraft, it's very, very important. For the world overall, even though it's a small niche market, we're seeing growth in terms of our ability to influence the region and penetrate with more aircraft options, thanks to what I think is driven by our ability to conduct trades. Several of the transactions we've conducted in the region recently have been trade transactions where clients are coming out of existing aircraft and in either just going newer or going bigger. Clients in the region don't like to deal without aircraft. Once you have it, it's hard to be without. And conducting trades usually gives them the most flexibility in that regard. I think the smallest airplane we've transacted here recently has been in the Challenger series. So it's kind of that aircraft on upward. The key to the region seems to be the airplanes that can do the Middle East, London nonstop. That seems to be the key aircraft that can make the region. So that usually lends itself to the larger cabin aircraft. The real region that's driving our market at the moment is North America. There's plenty of demand and replacement demand in particular in North America, which is helping boost, I think, the corporate aircraft activity overall. I'll caution that a bit with, there's still some timidity with values. We're not seeing the value recovery that would be ideal, but what we are seeing is a lot more predictability of values thanks to the North American market, which that one being the most seasoned market, there's the most level of buyers, and those buyers are extremely active right now. We're past the US elections. The US buying activity is back to life, and we've seen our results as a company. 2015 was our best year ever. In 2016, we've surpassed 2015 year to date. And I think that's a tribute to our team, of course, but it also is a tribute to the market's restoration of need of what we sell. I think it is very interesting from the public corporation perspective because so many public companies put off aircraft replacements for so long for several reasons. In some cases, it was just the visibility of buying big corporate aircraft, and there was a lot of sensitivity to that after the automakers went to Washington, D.C. and took some missteps. That really hurt our industry. A lot of public companies now, though, have so much strong earnings and so much pent-up demand for replacement aircraft. In addition to that, the OEMs have a remarkable level of new aircraft coming to market, with Gulfstream leading the way on the 650 and the Gulfstream 500, 600. You've got Bombardier coming up now with the Global 7000, Dassault and the 8X series, and so forth. Multinational corporations travel the world. The bigger aircraft are definitely in vogue for their mission and design requirements.